Hi, hello, welcome, evening. I welcome each one of you to one more session on Skill Based Charcha with Prakash Bhatna. Thank you very much and thank you each one of you for for joining in and sharing the love, comments, and all the wishes to this particular program. So Skill Pe Charcha with Prakash Bhatna. And here we discuss about tech sales edge program, what it is all about, how this is a rewarding, high paying and high growing career. And so let's dive into the detail. Let's dive into the discussion for the next 10 minutes. Today we will be having our final episode in tech sales, and from next week onwards we will be going or we will be having a discussion on another topic, and we will continue that particular series. So today, what is it that we are going to discuss? So before we get into the details, let's do a quick recap on what we have done till now in the last 3 to 4 sessions. So we have seen what tech sales is all about. We have tried to understand tech sales career क्यों इतना rewarding है, tech sales career होता क्या है, what exactly is tech sales. So we try to understand, we try to deconstruct tech sales, right? So doing a quick recap, why one should be even thinking of getting into tech sales is because of the 3 highs. So first high is high growth, second high is high demand, and third high is high paying. So high growth, high demand and high paying career, tech sales is one of the most sought after, rewarding, high growth and high demand career. What is it that one takes to get into tech sales, or what are the elements that are required to get into tech sales or be successful in tech sales? So हमने देखा था there are 4 elements or 4 critical elements, which is CARE. So C stands for confidence, A stands for attitude, R stands for result oriented, and E stands for empathy. हमने देखा था कि how these 4 elements are critical to be successful in tech sales, and what are the kind of roles, what are the kind of job profiles, what is the kind of average salary that one can expect in a tech sales. So tech sales में average salary है, since we are anyways doing a recap, so tech sales में average salary है around 5 to 6 lakhs rupees, and as and when आपकी experience बढ़ती जाती है, आप वो skill set लेते हो, then salary is no limit along with the incentives that you would be getting in. So this is highly recommended to all the people who want to get into companies which is all tech but don't want to get into the coding side of the job. जिनको कोडिंग साइड में जाना नहीं है लेकिन टेक बेस्ड कंपनीज में काम करना है, जैसे गूगल हो गया हो, पेटीएम हो गया हो, फेसबुक हो गया हो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हो गया हो. These are some of the companies that takes tech sales professionals into the fold. So अभी तक हमने लास्ट 4 हफ्तों में, this is the 15th series, so in last 4 weeks we have tried to decode tech sales growth कैसे है, how it is important, why you should get into tech sales as a program, and so on and so forth. So today in this particular series tech sales के इसमें, today we are talking on a day in life of a tech sales. अगर आप tech sales के professional career में आप आ गए, आपको चुना गया, कंपनियों ने आपको ले लिया, सो व्हाट इज इट दैट अ टेक सेल्स प्रोफेशनल डू, वो करता क्या है, अगर उसकी जॉब लग गई, सो व्हाट इज इट दैट टिपिकली ही डज इन अ डे, राइट? बहुत सारे लोगों को यही डाउट होगा कि यस वी हैव गॉट इनटू, हमें अंडरस्टैंड हो गई है कि करियर वाइज अच्छा है, पेइंग वाइज अच्छा है, डिमांड भी अच्छी है, ग्रोथ भी अच्छी है, बट हम अगर सेलेक्ट होते हैं तो क्या करेंगे, व्हाट इज इट दैट ही विल डू, और व्हाट इज द प्रोफाइल दैट ही विल बी फॉलोइंग इन. ओके, सो आज उसी को डिकोड करते हैं, and let's see, and then if there are any questions, any doubts, any comments, I would be more than happy to take it. You can type it in the chat box, and then I will take it up from there. But then let's dive into the discussion. Before we go into the topic, so right now currently अगर आप गूगल खोल के देखेंगे और गूगल पे सर्च मारेंगे टेक सेल्स जॉब करियर्स, राइट? तो right from Google to Facebook to Microsoft, Paytm, Cred, you name it, because of late every second company, every third company that is coming out of India has some or the other linings related to the tech. Either it will be a tech based product, it will have a tech based software, or it will be software as a solutions company, right? टेक का अंडरलाइंग आपको दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. सो जैसी द मोमेंट यू टाइप इट कि किस तरह के जॉब्स है, किस तरह के रोल्स है एंड कितने जॉब्स अवेलेबल है राइट नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. इफ यू डू द सर्च राइट नाउ देयर विल बी मोर देन lakhs of jobs that is available out there in the market. The reason being these many jobs are available in the market because of the lack of skilled professionals in the particular profession, right? Abhi there is a dearth of skilled professions. In the last 5 years or 6 years ये जो कैटेगरी है, ये जो प्रोफेशन है, ये एक लाइन में आने लग गया है. बट नॉट मेनी पीपल आर देयर. देर आर सेल्स पीपल who are in the FMCG category, B2C category, B2B category में भी है, but B2B tech sales में category में बहुत कम है. And companies are looking for professionals who are trained, who are skilled, and who are ready to perform from day one. Right? So that is what is required. Now, once you are getting into this and once you got the job, what is it that you have to do? आपको करना क्या होता है tech sales में, right? सो डेफिनेटली जाहिर सी बात है कि अगर आप टेक सेल्स के कोई भी कंपनी में आप ज्वाइन होते हो, लेट्स से माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में ज्वाइन होते हो या फेसबुक में ज्वाइन होते हो या पेटीएम वगैरह में ज्वाइन होते हो, तो आपको या तो प्रोडक्ट बेचना होगा, ओके, बाय डेफिनेशन, या तो आपको सॉफ्टवेयर बेचना होगा बाय डेफिनेशन, या आपको सॉफ्टवेयर एज ए सर्विस बेचना होगा. ये तीनों में से कोई एक आपको बेचना होगा. टेक सेल्स करियर आपको बनानी है. तो नाउ सिंस वी हैड बीन टेलिंग, आई हैड टोल्ड इन माय प्रीवियस सेशंस दैट दिस इज अ प्योरली B2B रोल. मतलब यहां पे सेल्स साइकिल आपकी लंबी होती है. लीड जनरेशन से लेकर डील क्लोजर तक आपका एक टाइम लगता है, राइट? सो द टाइम कैन बी मिनिमम 1 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It all depends on the type of product, type of service, type of software that you are handling in, right? So the deal closure takes any day between 30 days to 300 days, like 1 month to 1 year, right? So it's a purely B2B sales. So the role of a tech sales professional, one, he need to find out people who are interested to buy this solution, right? You need to, if you are a tech sales professional, if you are getting into the job role, then आपका काम ये होगा कौन से ऐसे कस्टमर्स है, टारगेट ऑडियंस है, जिनको ये चैलेंजेस हो रही है, जिनको ये प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, जिनको वो तकलीफ हो रही है, जहां पे आपका सोल्यूशन फिट बैठेगा. सो यू नीड टू फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट फाइंड पीपल हु आर रेडी, विलिंग to buy your product, right? So the first thing is finding the right kind of target audience, finding the right kind of customers for your product. Second, अगर आपको आइडिया मिल गया है कि कौन है हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स लेने के लायक, then the next step for you is going out to them, meeting them either on Zoom, ऑनलाइन हो सकता है या ऑफलाइन हो सकता है. You are going out, talking to them, pitching your product, giving your solution, understanding their pain points, and then taking the discussion to the next level, making the customer understand why buying your product is the next best thing to happen to him, right? How buying your product can solve all the challenges that is available, that he is going through right now, right? How your product is the best fit for all his current challenges. सो ये होता है सेकेंड स्टेप. सो पहला स्टेप होता है फाइंडिंग द राइट कस्टमर फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट. सो गोइंग आउट इन द मार्केट, इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स आपको मिलेंगे, इंटरनेट पे प्राइमरी रिसर्च करना, देन सेकेंडरी रिसर्च करना मार्केट में जाके, राइट? वंस यू डू दैट, सेकेंड स्टेप इज गोइंग एंड टॉकिंग टू द कस्टमर एंड पिचिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स टू द कस्टमर, राइट? वो होने के बाद देन द थर्ड स्टेप इज प्रेजेंटिंग अ सोल्यूशन. आप वापस ऑफिस आ जाते हो या तो फिर यू अगेन कम बैक एंड देन यू डिजाइन द सोल्यूशन बेसिस ऑन द कस्टमर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. आप सोल्यूशन को डिजाइन करते हो, कस्टमर ने आपको बताया होता है क्या क्या चाहिए होते हैं उनको, एंड देन बेसिस ऑन दीज डिटेल्स यू डेवलप द एंटायर सोल्यूशन. फोर्थ, you go back and tell him this is the best solution that you have come with, along with your seniors, along with your team, and so on and so forth. And fifth step is you clarify all his objections, you overcome all his objections, you clarify all his doubts, and then you close the deal. So this is what a tech sales professional does. So उनका पूरा दिन भर की जर्नी होती है कि first half he will try to find out, he will do primary research, try to find out the contacts whom he will reach out to. He will do cold calling, he will do calling, he will reach out to the customers through email, through social media, through campaign, through event, through activities, through phone calls and through WhatsApp and so on and so forth. Second half is mostly going out in the market, talking to people, reaching out to them, giving them the solution, right? And then by the end of the day, he will record all his day's proceedings in a report format in a CRM, and then he will close the day and plan for his next day. मतलब कल के लिए he will then plan towards the end of the day. That's what a typical sales professional in B2B and tech sales career will be doing it, right? So now what is the hierarchy? अगर आप ज्वाइन होते हो तो किस तरह की हायरार्की होती है? So you will be starting, ये मैंने पिछले इसमें भी बताया था, but I will just do a recap. So you will join as a sales executive or business development executive, followed by SDR, BDR, then account executive, account manager, then senior account manager, and sales director, vice president sales. So this is the kind of hierarchy that one typically can follow in the tech sales profession, right? So that's it for today. I hope you have understood what a tech sales professional's day look like, a career look like. And we are winding up this tech sales series, which is part 1 of this series. We will be coming up with part 2 from next week. So stay tuned till that particular point of time. But meanwhile, if you want to understand anything related to tech sales, so Skill Edge tech sales ki program, we conduct tech sales program, and many of the students from our end have been placed in fintech, edtech, food tech, insurtech based kind of companies, जिनकी starting salaries रही है around 5 to 6 lakhs. That's what we do. We skill, train, upskill, reskill professionals, postgraduates, graduates, and people with 2 to 3 years of work experience, and make their career in tech sales and give them their dream jobs and dream companies with dream companies. Right? That's what we do. So to learn more about it, why don't you just drop a message to us, or you can comment, and our skill advisors will come back to you and will connect with you and take the discussion further. So thank you very much. It was lovely talking to you. So signing. This is Prakash Bhatna, CRO of Skill Edge, and signing off for now. And we will connect again next week, Friday, same time, on another topic of Skill Pe Charcha with Prakash Bhatna. It will be tech sales career part 2 for that matter. And thank you very much once again. Do correct us, and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.